Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this mini series, I will share with you 4 super delicious and tasty budget meal ideas. And in today's video, I will share with you how I make this tasty potato chickpea soup. So there are 4 ingredients which I did not add to the cost, and those are salt, water, pepper, and oil. So for this dish, I used potatoes, chickpeas, leek, canned tomatoes, and bouillon cubes. I started with soaking and cooking dried chickpeas. I use them because where I am, they are cheaper than pre-cooked chickpeas. While the chickpea is on the stove, I'm cutting the potatoes. This is optional, but I decided to toast the potatoes and chickpeas in a little bit of oil for about 15 minutes, but again, you do not have to do this. Add the bouillon cube and the rest of the ingredients, and cook until the potatoes are soft. If you want, you can also mash the soup a bit to get a more creamier consistency. If you like this video, you might also like this chickpea curry recipe. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.